They're like, the video preaching. I was like, that seems really odd to me. Wouldn't you want to be where the person is? And they said, no, because I don't feel judged when I go there. And I'm like, so you believe when you walk in, the preacher is the one judging you? And she had to think about it for a second. She was like, yeah. And I was just like, boy, we have missed some things around here that, like, I don't feel judged. But I've also talked to some people here, and it's like, okay, you started coming regularly, Why did you start coming regularly here? What made you, not just try it once, but come regular? I didn't feel judged. I felt welcomed. And that's not just by me, that's by you guys. Because we can do this. Like, every church believes they're very friendly, right? We're very friendly to the people we know. Don't be a first-time guest because we ain't spending, oh, well, they're new. Yeah, obviously. Look at them. No, when you're able to greet people and just say hi and just let people be where they are and who they are and not judge them, that puts us in line with, I think, being obedient to what scriptures have to say. When you feel like you need to start judging people, it's like, oh, that seems to, get out of this a little bit, and we need to be a little bit different.